Hi friends, this video shows how to turn on or off HDCP on PS5 console. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Under settings, select system. Under system, we can select HDMI. So here we can find enable HDCP. You can see right now HDCP has been disabled. Let me enable HDCP. Done. See, now I have enabled HDCP. So this way we can enable HDCP. So let me disable. See, done. So this way we can enable or disable HDCP. See the message. If you turn off these settings, some games and apps cannot be used. Okay. So now we have learned how to enable or disable HDCP. Please check it.